Thank you.
This one is okay now. They should put it on camera like that.
No.
Work in progress. It's work in progress. Yes.
Regulations that is working on how to ensure that Nigeria is taken out of the grey list of the Financial Task Force, and we also discussed about the issue of primary health care and the Seattle Declaration and the progress made so far, and during our induction course, some states that have attained some milestones are going to receive some awards for their performance. And we also discussed about the new revenue formula submitted to Mr. President by the Revenue Mobilization and Fiscal Commission, and the need for us to really approach Mr. President on the need for him to present the new draft formula to National Assembly before this administration winds up. And we also discussed about the issue of stamp duties that are being owed both the federal government and the states, that is were housed in central bank, and we are working to make sure that that has been released for disbursements to both federal government and states. So these are some of the issues we have discussed.
Are you satisfied, Chairman, sir?
Are you satisfied with the
outgoing Chairman, sir?
report? Are you satisfied?
As outgoing Chairman of NGF, what will you be remembered for? Any regret, and what is assessment of NGF Secretariat?
Well, that you should ask DG that question.
No,
If you talk about Secretariat, you should ask the DG about that question. But for me, as a forum and an institution of governors that we inherited from our former leaders, past governors, I believe that a lot of achievement has been made, particularly in making sure that we maintain the cohesion and the unity of governors, the non-partisanship of this platform, and making sure that in all that we do, it's all about Nigeria first, and then of course our various states.
So you have earlier planned to hold your valedictory meeting earlier. You earlier planned to hold your valedictory meeting. That never happened. What changed?
I'm hearing it from you for the first time.
You have some of the governors-elect who also attend this meeting.
No, none of the governors-elect. It's only serving governors that attended the meeting.
Okay, yes, Nigeria want to know, sir, are you satisfied with what benefit has the NGF contributed to the issue of governance in this country?
This is supposed to come, the answer is supposed to come from you as an investigative journalist, whether the NGF has actually done well in what it has been founded for. I mean, bringing governors together, working together for national interest, for the interest of the states, and making sure that there is that unity amongst governors on national issues. I believe NGF has done very well.
Yes, sir. On the revenue formula that was presented, are you satisfied as a forum with what you have?
What I told you is that we are going to meet with Mr. President as a leadership of the forum, and we will appeal to him to present that formula. By the time it is presented, you will see what is there. Thank you very much.